something else I wanted to document while I'm here. See that conduit? Whoa, that's loose. That should be bad. Inside that conduit is, if you look up in there, I don't know if you can see it, I'll show it to you after I get the light switch out, but somebody ran Romex through metal conduit down to the condensate return pump. I don't know how you folks do things in Utah, but that's a big no-no in California. I'm guessing, you think you can see it right there, the conduit and the Romex coming out of it. Kier contractually is supposed to make any repairs, or any repairs that they have ordered are supposed to be made per Utah code. And like I said, I don't know how it goes in Utah, but running Romex through metal conduit is a big no-no in California.